Hi, this is Muskan Tambadia, and here is what I have built. Mind Mitra. Every year, over 2 million students attempt JEE and NEET in India. The acceptance rate is under 5%. Most of them are 17. Most of them are alone. And almost none of them ask for help. Existing wellness apps weren't built for this. They don't speak languages like English. They don't know what a neat rank feels like. They give the same generic advice to everyone. But Mind Mitra is different. It listens first. Because 1 in 100 odds shouldn't cost you your mind. Mind Mitra is a 5 agent system built on Google's anti gravity ADK with a local encrypted MCP server deployed in a single Docker command with agent skills accessible via CLI. But, the technical architecture serves one purpose making sure a 17-year-old in Kota at midnight feels less alone. Feature number one Vibe check. This is where the empathy lies. A student opens Mind Mitra at midnight, 23 days before JEE. They type something what they haven't said out loud, struggling to understand organic naming reactions. Before any analysis, before any advice, Mind Mitra acknowledges what was actually said. You mentioned struggling to understand organic naming reactions. And then it gives you a older sibling perspective, a targeted study coping mechanism, not just some random quote. It is built on the 5 E genes: crisis guard, orchestrator, stress detector, study balance, and coping coach. The crisis guard agent shows no crisis language detected. The orchestrator, it routes to the specialist agents. The stress detector detects whether stress levels were within baseline bounds or not. Study balance detects if the study life balance is healthy or not. And the coping coach generates an exam specific coping strategy shared here. Likewise, if a student makes an entry stating, I got my mock results, I failed. I can't tell my parents. I just want this to be over. When the mood drops below 4, a hard day mode activates. No productivity advice, no action tasks, no bullet points. Because sometimes the most important and the helpful thing is just presence. Just letting them know that they are not alone. Even one call can make a difference. If the crisis guard detects any crisis language, everything stops. Because the crisis guard agent runs first on every single entry, it cannot be bypassed. All the other agents wait. Because safety is not a feature, it's the architecture. We have a mood timeline where every single entry is stored locally, encrypted, never leaving the device in a SQLite MCP server running alongside the agents. The coping coach agent reads this history before every response. It knows the last Thursday was hard. It remembers the good days too. Likewise, we have streaks and badges because consistency is to be tracked. Not to gamify stress, but because showing up every day deserves to be acknowledged. Badges are awarded by agents based on real behavioral data. The study balance agent awards the sprint badge. The stress detector awards the badge of consistency, zen, or being unstoppable. These mean something because they are earned. Event wall. Sometimes a student doesn't need analysis. They just need to say it all out loud. Like, I hate that my parents sacrificed everything and I might feel them. That immense weight of their sacrifices is the heaviest thing to hold on. But, it's all gone. You don't have to carry that anymore because nothing is stored here. The interface says it so explicitly. The space forgets, so you can too. This is Mind Mantra, a agent built for good. Thank you.